She thought my cool. Told that bitch no dish, no rape stars on my roof. Look like space, diamonds on my rollie, shine like the roof. On my roof, she like the.
Guess what, boys and gals? You guys notice anything different? Probably not. Just kidding, you probably do. Today, I don't even know what I'm gonna do today. We're just gonna go and film because I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks, so. Alright, pussy, where are we at?
Best Buy!
Hey! Copped it! We're going forward, bitches! Alright. Got a tripod. Check off the list. Keegan's going in the store to see his girlfriend. What a pussy. Alright, you guys get the point. Today we're gonna go hang out with Hunter Kotecki. You guys know him. He's a cool guy. He was in my gallon smashing video. We're gonna hang out with Corbin. He was in forgot the video. Yeah, he was in one of my videos where he was riding the dirt bike, you know. But yeah, we're gonna go. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna go mess around. There's no like big topic to this video, so I don't even know what the title is yet, but here we are. What's up, boys?
What's up?
What's up? Hunter? Or not Hunter, Corbin? Quit bitching.
Yeah, because I'm a fucking idiot.
Larry, get your ass over here. What's up, y'all?
What's up, Larry Bear?
You look horny today. Alright, we just got out of the, we just rode the three-wheeler around. I got pretty muddy. And that's all I gotta say. We're gonna go see what Corbin's got in his talented mind of dirt biking.
Yeah, he thinks he's good.
He thinks he's good, but actually he rides like shit. Why is it bright? Oh, and he launches it for the win. Oh shit! Oh! Pin! He's slow. Next time, crash around the corner. Oh shit! Alright guys, this is called art. It's called art right here. My foot slipped off. Oh, it's working. Yeah! We got the balls in the fucking. Alright, we're gonna go and we're gonna go buy an air horn. We're gonna pick up Paul. I'm with Jared right now. We're at his house waiting for him to grab his wallet. But we're gonna go buy an air horn. We're gonna go to a golf course and then we're gonna go and honk the horn whenever they try swinging. So it's gonna be a good video. Yo, what up, puss? Myers is fucking retarded, and they don't have the tops to these, so we gotta go find a worker. Oh, here we are. You know where the tops are to these? For the air horns?
It should be right in that section. They don't have them.
I have no clue. We got the air horn secured from Dick since Myers sucks ass and doesn't know how to supply their stuff. And we're gonna go and do the prank. It's pretty loud, so I'm not gonna squeeze in here. Alright, we got the air horn. The golf course is right over there. And basically we just parked in someone's driveway. The shit we do for videos. Go. Okay, we're good. Go! Do it! They're gonna be like, what the fuck? Oh, I easily. Okay, I'm recording.
I don't know about this.
Recording. It's funny as fuck. Right when he swings, do you see him on the camera?
Yeah, I see him on the camera. Nice and clear.
Come on, hit it, pussy. Ready?
What? Yep. We got the jungle and the wild.
Oh shit, they're surrounding.
They're surrounding us like fucking penguins. What?
Yeah.
Trying.
No, we're on our last hole. Which one's the last hole? 18. Yeah, but you're on like 12. Nah.
No.
I'm gonna full send. I'm gonna hit it all the way.
Zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. Don't go right next to it. You're like that. Just keep it out a little bit. Oh, there's.
Yeah, hole 18.
Hole 18, dude. Three. He's going again. He's going again. He's going again. Oh shit, wait.
Somewhat.
My daddy owns this.
My daddy owns this place. Richard Harmon. Next time, get that dick back in your backswing.
I love talking shit. Oh shit, you just saw us. Oh shit.
Guess who we're with? Wilson. Alright, we're just gonna go. I don't even know what we're doing. We're gonna go to McDank's. I'm gonna get a bang. I like the bang. And, yeah, you know. Paul's hiding back there. But yeah, I don't even know where this is gonna go. Pretty much the video's about to end soon because I think it's at like 8 minutes, but yeah, we'll figure out what goes on. If it's interesting, I'll film it. So, catch you guys in a minute. Hey! Yeah, this one's way different. That would have been nice. I'm gonna try it out. That one hurt. That's it. This one's so. It's working.
Dumbass motherfucker.
We're gonna hit this turn, dude.
Where are we going, Logan?
We're going really fast. I got you something.
Fuck, dude. This is creepy. What the fuck?
Just kidding.
Scare the fuck out of me.
There's a room?
It's radioactive.
Bro, I don't like this shit. Fuck that.
I'm about to leave.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Watch out, watch out. Here we go, send it.
I seen the smoke come off. That's it for the video today. You know, there's gonna be more videos coming because I got a new camera. Motivates me to keep posting, so. You got anything to say? Oh yeah, by the way, hey, he's basically my filmer from now on. And we got Xander too. He's a good filmer if you're watching this. Love you, buddy. But yeah, we're gonna end the video here. More video coming your way. Gonna be more equipment and money put into these videos that we're making. So, without ado, it's been Logan Does It. Peace the fuck out. I use Space Banks as outro.
Okay, saying no way like you Jose, I've been killing shit like OJ, canceling school when I go iced out, it's a snow day, okay, we going up, when they see the check I'm getting, they be throwing up, bitch type Q and a motherfucking Google, and I really be the first thing that be showing up,